Okay, today we're here to review this assortment of candies I got from World Market. I actually got this last year, and I kind of forgot about it. But it has candies from around the world. So I have a KitKat, round trees, jelly tots, Smarties, not the kind of Smarties we have. They're actually milk chocolate, Milkybar, and animal bar. Okay, so let's try the one on the top of the box. So these are called jelly tots. So this is made by Nestle, I believe Ireland, or the UK anyways. Jelly tots or tubes? Tots. Oops, got it upside down yet. So they kind of look like gummy jellies with sugar on the top. They are chewy jellies. Pretty sweet. Colors have slightly different flavors. Kind of like gummy bears, but with additional sugar all around it. And not bear-shaped. Okay, next on the box is a KitKat. This is an original KitKat. This is also made by Nestle UK. There's two bars here. Break it apart. Still has the wafer in the middle, chocolate all around. Chocolate is a little different tasting though than our KitKats. I'm not sure which chocolate I like better. But yeah, that sounds good too. Next one is Smarties. So in the US we have Smarties, but they are like a chalky candy, and these are more like almost like M&Ms. A little bit bigger than M&Ms, I think. See, there's a chocolate and the candy coating around it. This one's also Nestle UK. They also have this in Canada. The things that we call Smarties here in America are what they call Rockets. Next thing is a Milkybar. Oh, actually it has the picture of that boy there, but his head broke off in the package. So here he is. Let's just eat his head. It says milk is our #1 ingredient. It's white chocolate, also made in for Nestle UK. I should have known. The whole box should have been. Oh, we got two of these Milky Bars because they're so skinny. Okay, and the last thing is the animal bar. Oh, there's, you can color on the inside. And both this one and the Milky Bar have a QR code you can scan, I guess, for 80 awesome things to do. Well, there are animals on there. So it looks like a lion and a, what the heck is that? It says Leo Lion and Fiona Fawn. What does it say on top? Nothing? No. So let me, oh dear, broke into many pieces. Here's a piece. This chocolate is a little different than the like Hershey milk chocolate. I guess it depends on, you know, which one you like better. But yeah, if you see any of these candies, try them out. Sometimes you could get some of these, I think the Smarties and animal bars. Maybe even the Milky at the World Market. So yeah, let's see. I think I'll give all of them A's. Or the whole pack an A. So sometimes during the Christmas season, they'll sell packs of, you know, different candies so that you can try them out from different countries. So yeah, just a good thing. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite of this one since it's in front of me, and I'll see you in the next one.